Hello students. Today we are going to continue with the previous exercise itself. Okay, today we will do number 3. So question number 3 is find the product of the following. Okay, product obviously means we have to do multiplication, right? So 3 by 10. Question number A is 3 by 10 minus 19 by 2 into 10 by 19. Right, so it's really easy because in multiplication you can cancel the numerator and denominator, right? So all are multiplication, so this 10 and this 10 can be cancelled because it is in the denominator, it is in the numerator. So next one, 19, right? So after doing that, so this is 1, right? So after doing that, so what will be remaining in the numerator? 3 into, from here, minus 1 into 1, because we are doing numerator into numerator, so all the denominators also we have to multiply. So 1 into 2 into 1, right? So first you will multiply the sign, remember that thing. Okay, so here the sign is plus into minus, so minus, so again minus into, here it is plus, so minus into plus minus, so the sign overall is minus. So now next you have to multiply the numbers. 3 ones are 3, ones are 3, divided by, here all the signs are plus, so no problem, plus into plus into plus is plus. So 1 2s are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, so your answer is minus 3 by 2. Okay, so similarly you can do question number B and C as homework. Okay, so we'll move to question number D. So question number D is 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3 into 1 by 7. Okay, so here what you can do, you can cancel, right? So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Here also 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, isn't it? So next one is what you can do next, you have to multiply all the numerators. So what is the numerator here? 1 into here minus 1 into 1, divided by here 1 into, sorry, it is minus 1 into 1 into 7, right? So next what you have to do, you have to multiply all the signs in the numerator. So it is plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. So 1 ones are 1, ones are 1, divided by, here also minus into plus, minus, so minus into plus, minus. 1 ones are 1, 1 into 7, 7. Okay, so minus 1 by minus 7. So this minus sign and this minus sign will get cancelled and it will become 1 by 7. So answer is 1 by 7. Okay, so similarly you can do E and F. So what are your homeworks? So B, C, E, F for question number 3. Okay, so next we will move to question number 4. Okay, so in question number 4 is find the quotient. Okay, means it is division, so we have division here. So question number A is minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, so what is the first step? We'll make this division as multiplication. So while making that, the later one will write its reciprocal, right? That means this will go up, this will come down, so it will be 3 by 2. Okay, since we have multiplication here, so we can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, isn't it? So in the numerator we have minus 2 into 3, and in the denominator we have, here it is 1, so 1 into 1, 1, simply if 1 is in the denominator, no need to write. So minus 2 into 3, so first we will multiply the sign, minus into plus, minus, 3 twos are 6, so answer is minus 6. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Okay, so next I want to do number C, because so number B is your homework. Okay, so I'll do number C. So in question number C, the question is minus 4 by 5 divided by 12. So here also I will make this as multiplication. So it will be minus 4 by 5, sorry, it is 5 minus 4 by 5 into this 12 will become 1 by 12, isn't it? So it will be 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, because I can cancel, right? So numerator into numerator, minus 1 into 1 is this minus sign, you can keep it here, 1 into 1, 1, divided by 5 threes are 15. So the answer is minus 1 by 15, right? Then number D and number E also you do it as a homework. I'll do number F. Okay, so number F is 21 by 36 divide, so it is minus 36 divided by 30 by 44. Okay, so how will you do this? Again you will make this as multiplication. So 21 by minus 36 into, you have to write its reciprocal, so 44 by 30, right? So we can cancel. So 3 7s are 21, 3 10s are 30, isn't it? This one, 4 11s are 44, 4 9s are 36. So is there anything else that we can cancel? No, isn't it? So so the numerator will be 7 11s are 77, divided by denominator will be minus, here it is plus, so minus 9 10s are 90. Okay, so this type of expression, this minus sign, you can write it in the middle like this. Okay, minus 77 by 90. Okay, so minus 77 by 90 is your answer. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Okay, now we'll move to question number 5, and it is simplify. Okay, so in simplify, the question number A is 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 divided by 4 by 9. Okay, so as you know, what is board mass? Okay, so you know what is board mass. Okay, so board mass you have to use here in simplification. Okay, so according to board mass, bracket, there is no bracket, off, no off, now division. So that means you have to first perform division. So it will be 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. So to perform division, you have to make it as multiplication. It will be 9 by 4, right? So next we have to do multiplication, and all are multiplication. So no problem, we can do simultaneously, right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, right? So the numerator will be 1 5s are 5, 5 3s are 15, divided by here 1 7s are 7, 7 2s are 14, isn't it? So 15 by 14, you can make it to the mixed fraction as it is in improper, so it will be 1 by 14. If you check, you will get it. Okay, so similarly we can do number B. So the question number B is 5 by 4 minus 7 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3. Okay, so here you can see here we have two signs, plus and minus simultaneously, right? So we'll make it 1. So how? 5 by 4 minus 7 by 6, others I will write as it is. So you have to multiply this two sign, plus into minus, minus, so it will be minus 2 by 3. Next will be the LCM. So LCM of the denominator. So the LCM, if you check, it will be 12. Okay, so next, what is the first part? So here 5 into, if you divide 12 by 4, it will be 3. 4 3 is 12, right? So with that 3 you have to multiply here, minus, next here, if you 7 is already there, into, if you divide 12 by 6, 6 2s are 12, that with that 2 you will multiply here, minus here 2 into 3, how many times is 12? 3 4 is 12. Okay, so here you can do 15 minus 14 minus 8 divided by 12. So 15 minus 14, first you will do this one is 1, minus 8 by 12. So 1 minus 8 is, so plus into minus minus. Okay, so if you subtract, 8 minus 1 is 7, but you have to write the sign of the greater one. So the greater one is 8, in front of 8 we have minus, so it will be minus, so 12. So this is the answer. Okay, in similar way you can do number C, D, E. Okay, as your homework. I'll do F, others you will do it yourself. Okay, so I'll do number F. So question number F is 4 by 5 plus minus 13 by 15 plus minus 11 by 45. Okay, so it will be how much? Because we have two signs here and here, we have to make it 1. So first you multiply the sign, plus into minus, minus, so 13 by 15, plus into minus, minus 11 by 45. So if you find the LCM of the denominators, it will be 45. So it will be 4 into 5, how many times is 45? 5 9, minus 13 into 15, how many times? 3 times, minus 11 into 45, 1, so 1 times. So it will be 4 9s are 36 minus 13 3s are 39 minus 11 divided by 45. So how will you do this? 36 minus 39. So if you see, 39 is greater, right? So it will be minus 3, minus 11 by 45. So minus into minus plus, then here you have to add, because minus into minus is plus. So if you add 14 and the sign of the greater term is 11, that is minus 14 by 45. So this is your answer. Okay, so in similar way you can do all the sums, that is number C, number D, number E, number G and number H as your homework from this one. Okay, so do your homework, okay, and submit it in the group.